So we're at Lachi's for our monthly lunch with my aunties. And there's Lena and hello. So we're at Lachi's. It's a small restaurant, but it looks good.
Sugar. Cynthia Escueta. Sige lang tayo, no?
Sino yun? Ha?
Uy, nakapark ka ba? Worried kami sa iyo kung nakapark ka. Good. Kasi punong-puno sa baba. Mabuti na. Hello. It's 11, ano na eh? It's okay.
Hi, Tita Josie.
Hello.
So this is my laing made of fish. Oh, it looks good. This way. Looks good. Chicken. And this is fish and chips.
Maganda, oh. Magandang presentation nila, no? So, kailan tayo? Balik pa nagkasalita si Missy.
So that's lechon kawali. That was my favorite. So we're at the opening blessing of Island Souvenir.
Si Mami mo naman talaga. Hyper na ba?
Mask ako kasi daming tao.
With a blessing.